Just now we had that orange dipped in the syrup.
Orange nahi apple.
Sorry, apple. The caution is that have it only if your teeth are strong. If your teeth are not strong, don't have it because it's very difficult to bite. Well, I got this by doing that. What you got? Okay. So yeah, this is free. Okay. So now we decided to go to Sushiro restaurant, and that's a kaiten sushi. Like the sushi will come moving on the belt, and then we have to take it. So this is going to be my first time experience. Yours also first time experience?
No, I had done.
So she is going to tell me how to operate everything there. Okay, let's go. So that's the Sushiro restaurant. Let's go. Sushiro Ueno.
English?
申し訳ございません。ご案内の順番がお願いいたします。チケット番号519のお客様、QR リーダーにお呼び出し番号札をかざしてください。申し訳ございません。
Right now we are waiting for our turn and our number is 524. Right now the order is 489, so at least it will take half an hour more. This is how, like for somebody they want to keep the stuff for them like mochi kairi, so they can keep there. The customer will come and take the order from there, so all the people are waiting right now. So for example, this person has come. Now he will put his code and take the order away. He entered the wrong code. Now he'll put again. So they just now called that customer.
Customers with ticket number 489.
Again another customer is coming. So this is the process of taking away the order. As you can see, mochi kairi means mochi like hold and kairi like go back.
Ticket 番号515、チケット番号547、チケット番号540。
Calling for customers with ticket number 515 and ticket number 540, 520 and ticket number 523.
Okay.
チケット番号524、チケット番号530。お呼び出し番号札をかざしてください。
41? Okay. That's 41. So this is our table. Let's sit. See. Plates are moving. Seema is sitting. And there are other customers as well.
This is the mug to take the tea.
Okay. What is this? Matcha powder. Okay. We have to put it inside. Okay. And then we have to take. Okay.
I think there is a level, and
Oh.
from there you can adjust the water hotness level.
Oh, okay. So it's very hot water. Thank you. Okay. So here the belt is moving And this is the menu. No, there also you can see that sushis are moving, and we have to take order from here like that. Whenever our order will come, we have to take that. So we can order from this.
Japanese man.
Okay, let's change it to English. We can change it to English.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, now English.
So we
Okay.
can add this one.
So we have added this salmon basil mozzarella. So go. So if we have added all these things, now we are going to order.
Kanpai.
So cheers. Kanpai. So the matcha tea taste is very good. It feels light. So as our number was 41, so there you can see 42, 43, 43. So this is how they recognize. These are going, so you can take wasabi. However, I don't like wasabi at all. See how fast plates are moving. Acha, this is our order, so it has stopped here. So let me take it. See, it directly came and stopped at my table. This is also ours. So let me take it. So this is what our order is. Can we put it together? All our sushi. See, this also came. So this is how our order looks like, and now we are going to have it. So this is also there. We can't take anybody else's order. It's crime. Oh, garlic. Okay.
I think it is ginger, not garlic.
Ginger. Okay.
This is ginger.
Okay. So this is how chopsticks are served. Okay. And these are sauces. What sauce is this? Soya sauce and all. Okay. Sushiro is the brand. So yeah. So let's start it. Okay. So let's start. See how this is. Adding some wasabi. So wasabi has a very strong flavor. Huh? It goes like this, and sometimes the tears come out if you add it, if you eat it in a huge quantity. So this is wasabi and this is soya sauce. You have it. So you have to apply the wasabi on the top. What is this on the top? White cheese. Okay. Good. Let me also have it. Okay.
This is a little hard.
Hard. This is prawn. Okay. I take this. Garlic. Yeah. So here we made this sushi as Indian sushi. I'll show you how. See, Seema added some spices into it. Ideally it should not be that way, but because we are Indian, so we need spice in everything. Here also, this is fish eggs and we added spices into this. So okay, have it. Have sushi with spices. So this is the first time I'm eating fish eggs.
Okay.
Since we liked the first one, the first sushi that we ate, so we ordered that one again. We have also ordered noodles, soup, so we are going to have that one. Because we wanted to try something in liquid also. Here it came. Oh, is it the same? We ordered different one. Ah, okay, okay. Ah, this is yours, huh? Okay, huh. Okay. So see what's there inside it. This is how the noodles ball looks like. What is there in
It
it?
is fish and clams.
Ah, okay. Seashell.
Seashell, yeah. Clams we can call it, yeah. But I am not sure which fish it is, yeah. Is it fish or
Okay, so let's have it. Well, this one, we are not sure what it is. If it's beef, then we are not going to eat it. So we have called the staff to ask what it is.
握りですか？この真ん中ですよ。
これ。
それはハマグリです。
Hamazuri. He's checking what it is. So they said that this is buta, like pork. So we asked them to change it and replace it with the one that I ordered. So they are bringing the one that I ordered. So we are going to have the same thing. So this is the one that I ordered. So now they are going to bring the same thing for Seema also. तुम्हें करनी है? So Seema has also ordered this and now she is starting her food. I am done with my food. She is starting. Well, now we are done with our meal and we have ordered dessert. So these are few of the desserts that are available. So I have ordered this one and Seema has also ordered the similar one but the chocolate one. So the food comes from here. This is the kitchen. So food comes from here. And if I have ordered it, our table, it will open this and it will come to this place. Otherwise, it will go straight like that. So there is this kind of table available in this restaurant and almost all the Kaiten Sushi, moving sushi restaurant. And there is one that kind of seats are also there. Like if somebody is alone, then he can sit over there and have have his meal and go back. Now when the dessert will come, it will come from here and you can see it. अब बात देखिए Thank you. So these are the plates that we have been accumulated. We have eaten this much. This is my ball. Seema is still finishing her ball, and this is what I have ordered. Okay, and this is what Seema has ordered. So yeah, it looks oishi. See how nicely it's right. So let me enjoy my dessert and then I'll talk to you outside. This is more of a cracker. So you have to arrange the plates as per the color. So we have arranged it. See, yellow, red, black. There is one yellow, one. It's fine. So okay. So he's going to come with the bill, I think. So he has given us this, and now we have to go to the counter to make the payment.
और हमने इतनी सुशी खाई भी नहीं है,
खाई भी
पता
नहीं,
है?
हाँ।
क्योंकि तुम अगर जैपनीज लोगों के साथ आओगे ना,
हाँ।
तो तुम्हें दिखेगा कि ये सुशी खाते हैं। यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है?
पता नहीं. हाँ. Oh, club है club. Well, we had sushi, we had dessert, and how much was the bill? Around 3,400 yen. So around, you can say in INR 2,000 rupees. So it was a good experience. So this is 9:30 evening, and look at the crowd. The street is full of people. So that's all for the day, and I hope Seema enjoyed the day. Okay, even I enjoyed a lot. First time ONO visit, and now we are going back home. I'll see you next day tomorrow with some other video. Till then, bye bye, take care and have fun. Bye.